Every developer uses Git daily, but most only knows like 5 to 6 command. Today that changes. Here's your Git cheat sheet. Before writing a single line of code, you need to set up Git. Git init create a brand new repository from scratch, turning any folder into like a Git track project. Git clone copies an existing remote repo to your local machine, including its full history. And git config sets your identity like name, email, so every commit is tagged to you. Without git config, Git doesn't know who you are. The core Git workflow is like a three-step loop. Think of it as like add, selects, commit, saves, and status checks. Git add stages your changes, picking exactly what goes into your next commit. Git commit saves that snapshot with like a message describing what has been changed. You can use git status, shows where you are, what stage, what's modified, what's untracked. Branches are Git's superpower. Each branch is like an isolated workspace. You can experiment freely and then merge when ready. Git branch lists all or create branches. You can have separate line of work that doesn't affect each other using branches. You can use git checkout or git switch, which moves between branches. You can use git merge, combines one branch into another, bringing like features together. Your local repo is just one copy. Always pull before you push to avoid conflicts. Git push uploads your commits into a remote, which could be like GitHub or GitLab, and Git pulls you downloads and merges any remote changes into your local branch. Git fetch downloads remote updates without merging, letting you to review first. Mistakes can happen. Git resets will unstage or remove commits. Use like // soft to keep the changes or // hard to delete everything. Git revert creates a new commit that undoes a previous one. Safer because it preserves the history. You can use git stash, which temporarily shelves your uncommitted work, perfect for switching tasks like a mid-feature. And reset and revert can rewrite the history. Use with caution. Ready for next level? Git rebase. This replays your commit on top of another branch, creating a cleaner, linear history than merge. You can use git cherry pick, which applies a single commit from any branch. Grab just the fix you need. You can use git tag, which marks important points like releases, like v1.0, version 2.0. Rebase rewrite the history. Cherry picks is surgical, and tags marks your milestones. Git is also like a detective tool. You can use git diff, shows exactly what's changed line by line between commits, branches, or working directory. You can use git log -- online gives you like a compact history. Not online, one line. Git log -- one line gives you a compact history, each commit on one line. You can use git blame, shows who wrote each line when, essential for tracking down bugs. You can see like diff sees changes, logs, reads your history, and blames finds others. Let's do a quick recap. So git is like add, commit, push, pull, which is repeated with branches for safety, and rebase for clean history. You can use like add/commit, branch/merge, push/pull, reset/revert. like and subscribe if you like this video, and which Git command do you use most? Let me know in the comment section.